All right, let's do this calculation to calculate the spindle speed. What spindle speed should be used to mill aluminum with a 1/2 inch end mill? Let's go ahead and let's get our cutting speed in surface feet per minute first. So we're going to look at this table. Aluminum is 250 feet per minute. So we're going to go ahead and bring that over. N is what we're calculating. So N is equal to 250 250 is correct. Okay. Let me get that other back up. And the units for this is feet per minute. So feet per minute. Okay. That's our cutting speed, and we're going to multiply that by 12. We're converting this to inches. So the feet cancel, and we're left with inches per minute. And then next thing we're going to do is multiply by our circumference. Our circumference is going to be per revolution, so per 1 rev. Pi 3.14, and we're going to multiply that by our diameter in inches. Our diameter is a 1/2 inch, so 0.5 inch. That should be a brace there. Okay, so we're all set up. We go ahead and do our math. Let's grab a calculator here and say that 3,000. I'm sorry, let me clear that. That's what the answer is. 250 times 12 is 3,000. So that's going to be 3,000. This is all equal to N. 3,000 inches per minute. And that's going to be divided by 3.14 times 0.5. All right, so that's 1.57, and our units here are inches per revolution. Okay, so we need to simplify this. So anytime we have division, we flip and multiply. So if I have a fraction 1/2 divided by 5/2, I say 1/2 times 2/5. Those two cancel, and I get 1/5. Okay, so I'm multiplying that times that is 2, that times that is 10, and then it simplifies to 1/5. Okay, so that's all we're going to do with our units here. Let me erase this, get this out of the way. I'm just showing you why I was doing it, going to do what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my units and flip and multiply my units. So inches over minutes times revolutions over inches. Those two cancel, and I get revolutions per minute, which is what I wanted, RPM. So, and then I need to take my 3,000 and divide it by the 1.57, so 3,000 divided by 1.57 equals, so my revolutions per minute is 1910.8 something. I'm going to go ahead and just drop that down. I'm going to round that down to 1900 RPM. And that is the answer to what my cutting speed should be. My cutting speed should be 1900 RPM.